Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Monopoly Go hidden game. To know how to fix or how to solve Monopoly Go hidden game, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you will click apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list you will search about Monopoly Go and you will enter. Then you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to click storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about Monopoly Go. I don't have here update, but when you find it you can update your app in this sign. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.